Just wanted to show you guys a little tip, because I was trying to figure out. This is the gazebo. Let me show you guys. This is the gazebo, 12 by 12 metal hardtop gazebo. All right. There's more information on it right there. And in fact, here. Okay. So I was having trouble figuring out something. All right. This part right here. This part right here, I was having trouble figuring out just the top part. Why? Because according to the instructions and everything, check this out. It shows me this bracket. You can barely see it. This bracket that goes on the bottom. If you see these four, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see those, I don't have that piece. Okay, the piece that I have is, I wasn't prepared to do this video, so pardon me. Okay, this is the piece that we have. Okay, so we did this, and this is the way that it's gonna look like that. But once you want to put the roofing, okay, which is gonna be, oh, by the way, this is the part that we have, the K. Okay. Once you're gonna put the roofing, let me show you. It shows a different picture. Once you're gonna put the roofing, the metal roofing, guess what? It's showing me a different bracket right here, which this is the old one. Apparently, maybe this is the old bracket. Okay. But let me see. This is the thing that I was having trouble with. Because it shows it a little bit more clear on the app. Okay, this is the part that I was having trouble. They wanted these, look at it from far away, just like that. Bear with me because this is very important. You're gonna thank me later. Okay. They wanted you to put these. Here's a hole. There's another hole right here. They wanted you to put these two, I believe, right here. This one would go here. This one would go here. But it doesn't make sense. All right, it doesn't make sense. But what I discovered, right here, there's that. There's the built-in hole right there. Another built-in hole right here. Okay, and it's not like this one right here. No, it's way at the bottom. Okay, the reason that I know that this is going to be good, because you have this piece right here, the T2, and it's going to go just like this. It's going to cover that, and it's going to go directly to that hole right there, directly to that hole. All right, you can't see it because I don't have it. You can only do so much, but I did two of them. I did two of them. This one and this one. By the way, the washers that you're going to be using are the rubber ones. Let me show you. The FF. These are the rubber ones. But anyways, back to the stuff. Because I was gonna call customer service and go, hey, and tell them, why is this not making sense to me? Because I'm telling you, if you look at that, this crap right here. Oh, you know what? Here. Okay, watch this.
Repeat the previous steps to attach.
There
1,
you go.
Vented roof panel.
Look.
U to the vented roof supports using 2 M6 by 15 millimeters bolts AA and 2 washers DD.
See? Right here. On the very first hole. That's where they wanted you to do it. See? You bring it, zoom in, zoom out. See? Look at that. right here. They couldn't tell you right here. Okay, if I was correct wrong. Okay, if this didn't make sense, because it doesn't make sense. There ain't shit on the bottom. There's nothing. That, okay, but on the video it doesn't show that it's way at the bottom. You see that? Look. You see that? Let me zoom in for you guys. See, you see that? It doesn't make sense.
Repeat the previous steps to attach 3 more vented roof panels, U, to the remaining vented roof supports.
So, there it is. So, that was the tip that I wanted to tell you guys. So, that was it. So, I still need a little bit more, and hopefully these panels are used. By the way, these are you. Hopefully this tip is gonna serve you guys well, because we were trying to look for something like that in the internet on YouTube and we couldn't find it. So I told our wife, let's make a video of this real quick and help someone else. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.